Hello YouTube family, today's video is just going to be a lot of fun. I'm just going to be making my face up and styling this wig and showing you some tattoo eyebrows. Hello everybody, this is Neferpersona and I'm going to be showing you another persona. As you see, my eyebrows are naturally thin, so I'm going to be putting on these fake eyebrows. They are tattoo eyebrows from Amazon. You also can get them from Shein. I will link them below if you're interested, but I think they're very cool. I posted a TikTok video on this that is kind of blowing up over there. So you guys, if you're interested in seeing it, just go over there and look. I am Neferpersona over there as well. If you are new here, welcome to my channel where I do a wide array of different types of beauty and art, lifestyle, motherhood related type of content. So if this floats your boat, go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the Neferpersona family. Other than that, I'm just going to play some subtle music and let you guys watch. Let me know what you think. I had a lot of fun. This video was just kind of random. Zion, of course, makes her little debut right there. As you see, that is my 4-year-old. And she likes to be in my videos. So don't mind her. Enjoy. Okay, this is it. If you're interested in this unit, I will also link it below. It was sent to me from a brand from Amazon. Everything will be listed below. I really enjoyed this. The mister loved it too, a whole lot. But thanks for watching, and I'm going to be rebranding my channel here in a little bit. I just want to get more in the loop, put my brand out there a little bit more. So I'm going to start to do a lot of commentary on my channel, a little bit more talking, be a little bit more personal maybe. I don't know. I'm so private that it makes no sense. But I think I'm going to start opening up just a little bit to just get the mojo moving on the channel. So I'm just going to be giving a lot of my POVs, which is my point of view. So hopefully that brings more traffic to my channel so I can really start being out there, I guess. I don't know. But stay tuned for that. And hey, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.